Hello all you beautiful humans out there. You are now watching Running Late with Raina. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. You already know who it is. You already know what I'm doing, filming another video for you guys and gals. And today we're doing a mukbang. Yes. With my cousin Aiden. Too late.
Right, I wanna knock you out.
I'm gonna try to do a mukbang, but I only have 19% left. But we got Chipotle, and I only had Chipotle twice in my life. We found a shaded area. I got some chips. They were kind of nice, but not really. But I was trying to be nice. I was trying to engage, but they weren't that nice.
That girl was nice. Not that one at the register.
Yeah, she was like, she literally like, did you see how she handed me my food? She was like, I was like, okay. But I got veggie.
We didn't get nothing.
Veggie bowl. Adrian, what'd you get?
Chicken bowl.
Let me open it and show
Well,
y'all.
that is cheese and whatever comes over can fall out.
You ready for a reveal? She looks good. I got tofu, no dairy. Got some guacamole with my dressing. I haven't had it in a hot minute. She is good.
Oh yeah, it's great.
What story time should we talk about?
I wasted too much money today.
We went shopping like everywhere. Everywhere we could. It's because Adrian has a photo shoot.
Yes, we do. The nails are gorgeous, ain't they?
They were so good. Show them. They were so pretty. We found him at Walmart. He was going to get his nails done, but these nails are so pretty. You know what I'm about to do? They look so pretty. And they have gems on them.
Yes,
They were how much?
They were like $10.
$10 compared to $35, which he was going to pay at the salon.
Compared to $80, which I paid one time.
$80?
$75 because I did $70 and I $55.
Oh no, honey. Anyways, the tea is we're not paying that much for nails. Cause we live in a small town and they don't really know how to do like LA nails, and we like bougie nails, so.
My hair is crazy, girl.
So that's facts. I'm gonna sit that right there. Hopefully it doesn't fall. Sorry for this quality. My camera kind of died. I just took a humongous bite.
Use your chips. Your chips are the chips of that so good.
Oh yeah. Did I show you the chip? I think I showed you the chip. He was like, do y'all both want chips? I was like, Andrew's like, you're getting chips, so
Yeah.
I got chips.
Can I give? She's getting
They have napkins too if you want.
Oh yeah, she can give us some.
Oh yeah. They're really good. What story time should we do?
We did a vlog earlier, like door dashing. Because that's the reason I really, in the first place, come to Danville was to DoorDash. And then we got tracked with going to go look at stuff. Yikes. And yeah, that's where we fell off at.
Let's talk about weight loss, since that's what my series is now. Or it's not
As
mine.
we're eating Chipotle,
But this is healthy.
I mean, she's alright.
You literally got brown rice, beans, lettuce,
And chicken.
and chicken.
It's like, I do a lot of fasting, so I really don't. I tried to meal prep, but it was not like my tea at all. Like I had way better results with just fasting and like eating one time a day, and, like drinking a lot of water. And
He only gained a pound.
yeah, but that pound made me lose 6 pounds because scared. I was like, no way.
But no, I understand. What was the question?
Where long?
Oh, I gained 2 pounds. But I think it's muscle because I keep working out, and every time I get back on the scale, I weigh more.
Really? That's good.
And you over here gaining a pound, and you.
Oh, girl, no, we're definitely different.
How are we different? I gained 2 pounds.
I was eating more than I usually would. So obviously the food made me gain weight.
You're supposed to eat more.
I know, but
Like if you're working out and stuff, you're supposed to weigh more. Oh, we're gonna start going to gym hopefully. Adrian.
no,
keeps
we are.
saying-
I'm gonna pay for my membership, and then we're definitely going. If your phone dies, will it save it?
I hope so.
That's a good angle.
Yeah, it is, right? I really like this open. Anyways. Oh man, I dropped some on my pants.
Let's talk about Rainey's outfit today. She's a glowing girl.
I'm a highlighter today. I'm stepping out of my zone.
I think it looks really cute though. Okay.
But I feel like weight loss makes you more confident. Especially me, like my weight loss made me more confident
yeah.
in myself.
Absolutely.
Like I literally would have never stepped out. Adrian knows. Like I would have never wore this before now. And if my makeup's messed up, it's because I had a mask on. But I feel like, well, in your opinion, did you gain more confidence when you lost weight?
Heck yeah, way more. Like, oh my god.
Even when, like with your makeup and stuff like that, you like are more
What
out
are these
there.
people doing?
You're more out there now. Maybe they're in there in the country. There's another car in the shade. Adrian said, I hope they're not.
We're like in a whole
anything."
empty parking lot, and like we're right beside. We just pull right beside them. It's the only shady place,
Yeah.
and they're probably like, what are these nosy people doing?
Filming a mukbang? I'm never filming a mukbang with Adrian. How do you feel?
Normal. Just eating now. I'm starving. We were hangry, like no joke.
But we fast, so we're kind of used to it. But we've been walking everywhere.
Makes you hungry more often. Yeah, more. Because
Yeah.
it just does.
I have a question. Do y'all mix y'all's food? Or you just leave it like this?
I definitely
This salsa is bomb.
mix mine.
Oh, I don't. No, you don't.
When you
I'm
eat
saying
it all together,
when they open it
like
and they mix
all?
it, yeah.
Oh.
Like when you eat it, yeah. Pero like I'm talking about
Yeah,
when
like
they just
mix it
open it
before.
and then mix it all, yeah. Alright, what's another question? What made you lose weight?
Looking at myself and not liking what I look like. You know what I mean? Like, that's just literally
It's
how
kinda
it is.
like-
It's how it is.
I was like, I kind of felt like it wasn't my body.
yeah,
you
look
know?
at who you really are.
I looked in the mirror and I was like, that can't be me, you know? Or in photos, I seen this one photo on the back of my, or like they took it, my mom was taking a picture of this older car, but like I was beside it, so she took it and my back was facing the camera. And your girl looked like a square. Like a whole fat square. Like a thick square. So I was like, that's not me. That can't be me. I was in denial, Loki. But now she got little curves or whatever. So when did you start your weight loss? Adrian has lost weight. If you haven't known. I'll pull up a picture if he allows me. I'll tell him to send a picture.
Oh yeah, I'll send
So
you
you can
pictures.
see
Oh
his-
my god, yeah, I can send you. Oh my
So you
god.
can see his before.
And definitely I'm not nowhere near close to done where I want to be. From like a year ago, I've lost 50 pounds. And like I just now hit that 50 pound mark. And like, I mean, I drink, like I just don't, like you know what's good for you and what's not. You don't even have to be on a strict diet. That's what people think doing. That's the thing people don't understand. You don't have to like go by, because like healthy food is not cheap. That's one thing. And like nobody's food, like, you know, some people don't have money to go out and just spend, you know, on all these veggies and stuff. Like, you know not to go eat
You know not to eat like
greasy
5 burgers.
old, yeah, like you know what to get, what not to get. Like if you want chicken, get baked chicken, like, or you want grilled chicken or something like that. And like proportionize what you eat, like
Proportion control. And then definitely limit what you eat, like your portion size.
Yeah.
Cause like 5 burgers, you know, we used to eat like 5 burgers.
Oh my god, yeah, like it's 3. That's just too much. Like,
Yeah, that's just, you were overeating all the time.
yeah.
And then you never really knew you were overeating.
Because you were only a kid, too.
You were so used to overeating too.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you were a kid. So I mean, there's nothing right there. Even, I mean, you can eat bad. Just make sure it's not so much. Like, I remember I would sit there and probably eat like a tub of ice cream. Like, girl, you should know you're getting chubby because you eating tubs of ice cream every night. Because you're sad, because you're fat. But
you're making it worse when you're sitting there, you know, like causing your own problems.
Or I shouldn't say fat, but it was pretty fat to me, you know. I was pretty thickened, in my opinion. Others might say I wasn't big, but in my opinion, I could tell that I was bigger. Especially now, I'm like, how did I let myself get that big, you know? And I mean, we were younger, our parents would feed us all the time, so we'd be eating all the time. And they would buy us what we wanted to eat, so I mean, like, we never said no, you feel me?
Yeah.
Like, we weren't like, don't buy me no brownie, because I'll eat that double fudge brownie over here, girl. Put a big old scoop of ice cream, maybe 2 scoops of ice cream on there. Put some, what's that, hot fudge on there. I would tear that up. I just know that it's a difference from my mindset now than it was then. What you think?
Yep, that's true. That's one of the main things you have to change is your mindset as well. That's so good.
Oh, but tell us my height is like 5'5", and I currently, when I started, I weighed like 192, so I was almost hitting 200, and now I'm 150s, trying to get down to like 130s, hopefully, maybe, we'll see.
You're good right now, though.
Yeah, no, I do. I'm just trying to tone up, really, and gain my booty. So like my
She's
goal,
the BBL.
yeah, my goal weight is around like 140s, 150s, but I want that in muscle. I don't want that in fat. You feel me?
So what do you think? You need to like do more squats. Is that what you're saying?
I need to lift heavy.
What do you do right? Like, what do you do for the majority of your like cardio? Is that like the most of what you do? Because we always think when we like I always do at least like cardio is like the best that does it all.
Yeah, I did cardio, hit workout, and then I used to lift when I squat. But then I don't. Quarantine happened, and you know.
You gotta get the goal in.
All right, so we're about to leave. But if y'all like this video, give it a like. Comment down below if we should do more mukbang. And then comment more video ideas for me and Adrian.
Yeah.
You're probably gonna see him more doing makeup and other videos too on my channel because he's my homie.
That's what we do. Like.
Well, he's actually my cousin.
We're best friends, so.
Yeah, basically. So, remember to smile, be kind, be happy, and be you. And make sure you're doing this for you and nobody else. Boo.
Yep.
Alright, deuces.